In this video, we're going to identify key components of a parabola from a graph. It says, what is the equation of the directrix of the parabola shown in the figure below? And they give you a parabola here. It's facing to the left. And we're going to just point out some important points of the parabola. This point right here is called the foci of the parabola. Okay, and this is similar to ellipses and hyperbolas, except for ellipses and hyperbolas have two foci. A parabola just has one foci, and it's always going to be just inside the U part of the parabola. And then there's this line behind it called the directrix, and the directrix is a perpendicular line, or is perpendicular to the axis of symmetry, which is written right here. So the axis of symmetry separates the parabola into two reflective halves, and the directrix is always perpendicular to that line. And the directrix is always the same distance. So if I call this distance from the vertex here, this is the vertex. The directrix is always the same distance from the vertex. We're going to call this A, from here to here, as the foci is from the vertex. So we'll also call this A. So we can always find the directrix if we look at where the foci is, figure out the distance from the foci to the vertex, and then just put that same distance behind, or I should say below or to the right of the parabola, and then draw a perpendicular line a perpendicular line to the axis of symmetry. So our equation for the directrix here would be x equals 12, because we have a vertical line at 12.